Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for a move-in ready home that's a single story on a corner lot, 3-car garage, and it has a pool-sized backyard? Well, don't go anywhere. We are going to be previewing this move-in ready home by Toll Brothers, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is February 12th, 2025, and we are here at a move-in ready Toll Brother house, okay? So we're here in the community of Elkhorn Grove. Now, this community it's about 30 minutes north of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. This is going to be, nearest cross streets is going to be Elkhorn and Jones. Okay, so really nice area, quiet area. But yeah, we're going to go over this move-in ready home, but just want to show you the surrounding area. So you got like the model homes over there. The HOA in this community is $80 a month, and it is gated and it does have a pool. Okay, so for $80 a month, gated in a pool, that's actually a pretty good deal. So yes, this house that we're previewing, there's going to be street on the other side, but yeah, this is a corner lot. But yeah, Galante, this is a 4-bedroom single story house, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 3,100 square feet, and the price is $967,995. Okay, so about $968 pretty much. But yeah, let's take a look. You have this nice long driveway right here. All right, yeah, got your 3-car garage. Really nice elevation, actually. So I like that it has some of that brick exterior. Have this little accent right here. Okay, so welcome in. Now, when you walk in, you will notice that the ceilings is going to be 10 feet ceilings. Okay, 4-bedroom. All the bedrooms are going to be on the right side. So you'll have the primary bedroom all the way back there, another bedroom over here, and you're going to have 2 bedrooms in this corner. Okay. Yeah, so with the 10-foot ceilings, these baseboards are pretty big too, because you can see, I think they're going to be about like 7-inch baseboards if I were to take a guess. Okay, so you just have your standard closets right here. Cool, you got some extra space within here. Maybe you could put like a little desk. And for the lighting, looks like you'll have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan right up there. Now this bedroom does have a Jack and Jill bath. Okay. So you have your ceramic tile. Really nice, nice color cabinets right here. It look like the Browns are coming. They are coming back. They're making a comeback. Notice a lot of Tri-Point homes, Toll Brother homes. They're having more brown cabinets. I think this is like the Petrofina countertop. You got the undermount sinks. Now here's your other bedroom. Okay, so this bedroom has a walk-in closet. Okay, so while that bedroom has a standard closet, this one has a walk-in closet. Okay, you have like the flat corner edging. But yeah, look how open this floor plan is. Okay, so you have like this room right here. This could be like your formal dining room. I mean, you'll have your dining room over here, living room area, and then the kitchen. So you look at the ceilings. I definitely like this right there. That looks really nice. Have a good amount of lights up here. Okay, let's check out this bedroom. Okay. So yeah, this has a standard closet right here. But it looks like this bedroom does have its own full bath. Okay. But yeah, if you guys are watching this video and you are interested in new construction, in a new construction community, you know, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit to the community. You just want to make sure you have representation, right? If you go by yourself, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once they have that information, they will log you down in their systems with no realtor, and they can't add a realtor later on. Now, that's really important because the builder agents have a fiduciary relationship with the builders, and as a realtor, we look after your best interest. So, you know, it's definitely important you get representation. So just make sure you show up with, you know, representation, okay? So look at all this open space right here. Great for entertaining. Love this large slider. Here, I'll make our way towards the primary bedroom. Okay, so you got this little space right here. Put like a nice little shelf. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So up here, you do have more lights. So it looks like you got 4 can lights plus your pre-wired to the ceiling fan. Okay. And then right here, this is where you would connect your TV. And then you also have your Ecobee thermostat to control the temperature. So welcome to the primary bath. You have his and her sinks, and then you have a tub in the middle. You also have a walk-in shower. Okay. Pretty good size walk-in shower. Got the tile surround. Okay. Walk-in closet. We got plenty of space here. Yeah, really nice size walk-in closet. Okay. So we got the toilet room. Cool. We also have 3 windows here for some natural light, and then we'll check out the backyard in just a second. Okay. So here we do have the backyard. Okay. It's pretty good size. I want to say from here to the end of the wall, probably about 30 feet. Okay, so definitely pool-sized backyard. And then once you move into your house, I think the HOA gives you about 6 months. So you're gonna have your gate right there. They're gonna give you about 6 months to landscape your backyard. And you know, sometimes buyers ask what happens if they go past the 6 months. Well, you know, then the HOA, I guess, can send you a letter saying that you just need to do your backyard, or else they'll I guess they'll charge you a fee. Okay, so you got your 2 condensers over there. Okay, so yeah, plenty of space. Definitely have your dining room here. Okay, look, so we even have cabinets right here. Beautiful Calcutta quartz countertop. You also have a nice backsplash tile backsplash. Okay. Upgraded stovetop right here. Nice hood. Okay, you got your stainless steel undermount sink. Got your nice dishwasher. Okay, no refrigerator. We do have the double oven. And then looks like you have your microwave right here. Okay, this is going to be your walk-in pantry. All right. So in here, we're going to have your powder room. This is going to be the bathroom that the guest uses. Okay, powder stove sink. You have your toilet. Okay, nothing crazy in here. You do have some cabinet space right here. And then this would be your laundry room. Okay, so a great thing about this is you already have a sink. Definitely the next house that I move into, I feel like I have to have a sink in the laundry room. It's the perfect place to clean your shoes. Okay. All right, I think the last thing is to look at this garage. So inside here, we have a 3-car garage. Okay, so tankless water heater as well as a water softener loop. All right. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think of this move-in ready home. Again, if you're looking for new construction and your goal is to get the best deal, for sure, always go with move-in ready homes, just because there's the most wiggle room with these type of homes. You know, more negotiations can be made. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and if you need to reach me, my info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.